At least 28 people have been killed in flash floods and landslides caused by heavy rain in the southern Indian state of Kerala over the weekend. The National Disaster Response Force, the Indian Army and Navy were called out to rescue people after several areas were hit. According to a government official, 13 people were killed in a landslide in the village of Kuttikkal, Kottayam district, with 6 of the casualties coming from one family. Officials said the intense rainfall had subsided but feared the number of deaths could rise as relief and rescue operations continued. On Sunday, rescuers recovered bodies in 2 of the worst hit districts, Kottayam and Idukki. Those 2 districts and 4 others were reported to have been put on red alert after at least one of them saw more than 12 centimeters of rain by 8:30 p.m. local time on Saturday when the heavy rains began. Then television reports showed people wading through chest-deep waters to rescue passengers from a bus that was nearly submerged by the torrent flooding the roads. The state chief minister, Pinarayi Vijayan, urged residents to exercise extreme caution even though the intense rainfall had subsided. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.